everyone, welcome to Vasoul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, if you want to help us with the donation link is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me via WhatsApp video call, Zoom video call for tarot reading and numerology. If you want to learn numerology, the details will be given in the description box below. Last but not the least, I just want to tell you that if you want to book one-on-one personal session with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yes, and I'm not doing live sessions because my one important thing, guys, is that I'm going through a lot of bookings, personal bookings. Okay, so I'm not getting much of the time, so kindly comment down below what you want to go for the next. So whichever comment I like the most, I'll be uploading the video on that zodiac. Okay, so yes, and kindly help us to hit and cross 1000 subscribers because we are really working hard towards it. Kindly ask your friends, family members and everyone out there to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. Okay, so yeah, today is the reading for the zodiacs, for all the zodiacs from Aries to Pisces. This is your partner's reading. Okay, so it will be very small. And also one more thing, the timestamp will be given in the description box and in the comment below. Okay, so if you don't want to watch all the readings, kindly skip to your particular zodiacs. Okay, and go to directly to your particular zodiac and watch out your particular zodiac reading. Okay, so yeah, today's topic is what are your partner's current feelings towards you, not towards you but in general. What are your current readings? What are the current readings for you guys? Okay, yes. So Aries, what's your partner is going through right now? Okay, I'm using 4 different decks, so the details of the deck I'm using is given in the description box below. Okay, so Aries, your partner is going through some major transformation. Major karmic cycle is coming to an end for you, for your partner, and they are they are gaining some sort of knowledge. Okay, they are listening to others and gaining a lot of knowledge around the situation, around a particular life, whatever it is, but they are going through some guidance. They are getting to know about the truth about the situation. Okay, they are waiting for some sort of news, waiting for some sort of message, waiting for some sort of text currently. Okay, it might be related to career, it might be related to relationship. You can take either way. Okay, they are getting away from an sneaky energy. Okay, they are feeling alone like an outsider because there is a lot of disappointment is going on within with them, because there is some sort of sneaky energies around them. Okay, so yeah, and they are feeling bad about it. I guess they are moving away from this sneaky energy. Okay, so yeah, the world completion, there is a lot of completion is going on. They are understanding about a situation, about the life they are going through. Okay, they are going through a lot of internal transformation, internal healing. Okay, so yes, yeah. So healing message for anger is, I skillfully act on my ideas and visions and I free myself from emotionally distracting influences. Okay, beautiful energies. So this is all for you, Aries. Like this is for you, Aries partner. Okay, so yeah, let me check out what's going on with Taurus, partner of Taurus, what they are going through currently overall. Okay, not a particular emotion but in general what they are going through currently. Okay, there is karmic cycle which is playing its role. Okay, they are going through some, bad karmic cycle right now. Okay, like it is in reverse, so that means a bad karmic cycle might be at play. Okay, so they are thinking about either they left you in the cold, or you left them in the cold. Okay, so yeah, they are thinking about it. Okay, yes. King of Wands, King of Wands. Wow, beautiful energy. So they are regaining their power back. Okay, and they are creating something on their own. They are regaining their power back, taking an action towards themselves again, and calculating the pros and cons, evaluating the things around them, whatever disappointments they went through in a connection or into their career or in their life they are going through. So they are calculating the pros and cons about it. Okay, they are getting to know about it. Okay, and they are regaining their power back, realizing a lot of situations around them. Okay, they might be a fire sign, Leo, Sag or Aries. Okay, so yeah, also they might be a air sign too. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, they are taking their time to heal, and yes, understanding the things around them, about the situation, about their life, what are those things, evaluating the pros and cons about life, about this connection, everything they are going through right now. Okay, yes. The lovers is all about, they are thinking to come back towards you. Okay, but they are not sure about it. They are, I think they are, evaluating the things related to this connection. Okay, so healing message for an anger. I learned to love both the positive and the negative aspects of others as I grow to love my own strength and weaknesses. Beautiful energies. 3, 4, 5 beautiful energies, fire signs. Nice, guys. So let's check out the current energies for Geminis. Gemini's partners. Gemini, your partner is thinking about marriage. No, they are thinking about ending a marriage, or they are going through some, completion of a cycle. Definitely, there is some sort of ending they are thinking about. Thinking of ending something and beginning of something. Let me check out more. Compromise, ordinariness and consciousness. Wow. Okay, so they are getting aware, they are going through some, completion. Okay, major completion of their life, and they are ready to compromise when it comes to this connection. Okay, they want a lot of things with you together. Okay, it is all about movement. They are thinking to move towards you. Okay, with this marriage, to move forward with this marriage. Okay, or offer a cup of marriage, or offer a cup of love towards you if you are already married. So they are thinking to move towards you with an offer of love, offer of marriage. Okay, they are being very conscious. They are getting aware about what's going on with their life. Okay, and they are realizing the facts and figures about this connection, that how important you are. Beautiful. Okay, so yeah, nice. The high priestess, they are highly intuitive right now. They are very much intuitive, and they are gaining a lot of intuition level is very strong currently, and they are very much ready to take an action towards it, towards this connection. Beautiful. Healing message for fear. When it comes to a problem that makes me anxious, I approach it and do not worry about it. I have an unlimited resources of courage, spirit, and everything around me and within me. Beautiful. Nice. This is for Geminis. Okay, Gemini, your partner is very good. Wow. Cancer, what's going on with Cancer? Cancer, your partner is feeling, they are working hard towards their independence. Okay, they are regaining their power back because they want an independent stability when it comes to their career, their finances. Okay, and they are really heartbroken, they are in pain currently right now. Okay, with the situation, with the connection, or with their career, whatever it is. Okay, take it however it resonates. But yeah, they are regaining their power back, they are having a lot of leadership qualities. Okay, and they are being very stable when it comes to their this independent life. They want an independent life in their life. Okay, so we have 7 7. Okay, that means a lot of politics is going on around them. Okay, politics is all about negative energies around them. They are working hard towards it, but they are also seeing a lot of negative energies around them. Okay, they are being patient enough, and patience is all about also it's also a card of fertility. So there might be a possibility that Cancerians have the feminines, I'm talking about the females. Okay, they might be pregnant as well. Okay, so yeah, they are being patient enough and waiting for the right time to be independent, to be stable into their life. Okay, and that is really beautiful. They are also working towards receptivity. That means that they are accepting whatever is going on around the world, around themselves, around the universe. Okay, they are realizing about it. Okay, and accepting the pros and cons about this universe thing. Okay, they are ready, they are being patient enough. We have got 2 patience card in the same deck. That is beautiful. So they are being patient enough, waiting for the right time to act upon it, and that is beautiful because patience is really needed. So yeah, they are being patient enough, but they are working towards their own stability, stable life, independent life, and focusing more on their career. That is really good. Healing message for a healthy body. I experience and express a healthy balance of all the 5 basic emotions, including sadness, anger, fear, love, and joy. I nurture others as well as I nurture myself. Beautiful energy. Okay, so this is for Cancerians. Let me check out what's going on with Leos and Leo's partner. Not Leo's partner. Okay, so guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and help us to hit 1000 subscribers. And also, if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. If you want to join numerology and tarot learning workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and comment down below what you want next. Wow, Leo, your partner is coming towards you with an offer of love, because there is some sort of ending of a pain, heartbreak, communication, ending of no communication. There is a reconciliation happening between you and your partner. Okay, so yes, they are realizing so they are realizing that who was deceptive and who was dishonest towards them. They are realizing a lot of things about it. 5 is all about disappointment. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7, so 7 is all about new possibilities around life. 1 minute, guys. So sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, 5 plus 2, that is 7. 7 is all about reconciliation, happiness, joyous moments. Okay, so there is a possibility, high possibility of reconciliation with the fire sign Leo, Sag, Aries. Okay, and that is you. Okay, and morality, so ending of some sort of betrayal, some sort of dishonesty, some sort of ending is happening for them right now. Okay, related to their situation. Okay, yes, and yeah, they are making a solid decisions about their life, solid decisions about you, solid decision about this connection. Okay, Leos, your partner is making a solid decisions. Okay, a healing message for a healthy joy. Failure is not as frightening as regret. Optimism, growth, and success are more likely to lead to happiness rather than avoiding challenge. Okay, so this is for your partner. Beautiful message. Now for the zodiac sign Virgos. Current feelings for the zodiac sign Virgos. What your partner is going through, what are their current feelings, what are their current feelings. Okay, current feelings related to situation, their current life, whatever it is. Okay, so yes, the moon, the sun. Wow, Virgos, your partner is thinking about stability in their finances. Okay, there is some sort of secrets are going on, but they are coming out and they want to shine bright. They are taking an action towards moving forward into their life. Okay, they are calculating the pros and cons, and yes, they are ready. 5 is all about, evaluation. Okay, so they are going through a lot of evaluation. Okay, what is good, what is bad. They are ready to work in collaboration, in teamwork. They want to achieve a lot of financial abundance, financial security, and they are focusing on that currently. Okay, they want to shine bright and move forward into their life. They are some sort of secrets are coming out, and they are reaching to a level, to a spiritual level, where they are mastering their own expertise. Okay, and they are, whatever they are working in, they are thinking that they are the master of their own, of their own work into their career life, or else into a relationship. But they are reaching to that high level of spirituality. Okay, and they are going with the flow. Okay, like they are, they are trusting the universe, and they are going with the flow, and they are trusting the spiritual guidance given by the universe. They are right now going with the flow. That's the best thing. They are also having a tarot moment. That means demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic people, and a new life. So you know what, when there is a tower moment and then there is a master, that means that they are reaching to a higher level of new level, new beginning, like ending of a bad thing and establishing something new in their life. They are working through towards it, and they are working towards a lot of stability, more practicality. Okay, so that is really beautiful, Virgos. Okay, yes. Healing message for a healthy relationship. There are multiple ways to look at any situation. Yeah, so they are realizing the facts and figures about this relationship. Okay, which they have with you, Virgos. Okay, and that is beautiful, because it's all about getting them realize about a situation where they are correct and where they are making mistakes. Okay, so yeah, they are realizing and evaluating things. Okay, so yes. So let's check out what's going on with Libra's person. The current feelings of Libra's person. The current feelings of Libra's person. Okay, yes. Wow, so many cards are flipping out. Libra, your person is guarding up themselves. They are not talking, they are not interested in talking right now. They are walling up themselves, okay, with a situation. Yes, they are analyzing a situation and moving forward towards what, I don't know, but we'll clarify it. Okay, they are want to move forward with something, whether it's a connection or whether it's a relationship. Okay, so they are walking away from something or someone and moving towards a connection. Okay, let's clarify. Yeah, they are guarding up, they are analyzing themselves and taking a decision of moving forward in life. Okay, moving forward. Yeah, they want to move forward towards you, Libras. Okay, they want this happily ever after with you, this reunion, reconciliation, or a reunion with you. Okay, and that is beautiful. Yeah, they are going through some, foundation thing. Okay, so they are, analyzing a lot, thinking a lot about their life, about everything. And yes, then they are creating a foundation for themselves and for you as well, and taking time, and then making a decision to, come towards you. Yes, 4 is all about postponement, so that means they were, if you were separated, they were delaying the things. There were, things were getting delayed. Okay, but there's some sort of divine timing is at play right now. And 4 is all about, marriage, commitment, foundation, creativity, and coming together, collaborating. Okay, so do not worry, because they are, ready to make an offer of love towards you. Okay, it might be related to marriage, it might be related to an offer of a relationship. Okay, so yes, beautiful. And if you are already in a relationship, it might be an offer of marriage for sure. Okay, so yeah, they are thinking of taking a decision and moving towards you, and it's beautiful. Trust me, it's beautiful. Wow, cards are coming out. So we have got 2 healing messages. First, healthy healing message for healthy goals. The only way others can get to know my true self is to talk from my heart. So they'll be talking from their heart towards you by making an offer towards by making an offer of love towards you. Okay, the second healing message for healthy goals is that through contemplation, introspection, and completion, I can find out what my next step and true calling is. By attending to detail and organizing my life, my vocation will be clear. Okay, so yeah, now they realize that what they want in their life, taking a decision and moving forward towards you, Libras. And that's beautiful, because sometimes delays are very good to understand about particular situation, about life, what they want actually. And now they are getting a clarity, which is really good. Okay, so let's check out what's going on with Scorpio's person. New beginning. Your Scorpio, your partner is ready to take a new beginning. About what, I don't know. Let us see. So it might be related to career, it might be related to a relationship. Okay, take it however it resonates. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so they are ready to take a leap of faith, taking a risk, a new beginning. Okay, in the past, they were juggling between 2 choices, 2 options, 2 connections. Okay, and now they have made a decision and thinking to move forward. Okay, thinking to take a leap of faith, thinking to take an action, thinking to take a risk and move forward in life. Okay, so yeah, new beginning related to career or relationship. Okay, it might be. So yeah, wow. So okay, so there were a lot of fights which were happening into their head or around them. Okay, and that's why they are releasing that thought process and taking a risk and moving forward. Okay, yeah, they were juggling between 2 options, 2 choices, and 2 connections. Okay, or 2 decisions. Okay, but now they have understood and they know what they are supposed to do, and they are moving towards a completion, ending of something and beginning of something. Okay, so they are ending something and they are moving forward and starting something new into their life. Okay, 10 is all about completion, ending. Okay, yes, and a new beginning. And 8 is all about traveling. So they are moving forward towards, they might be traveling this month, or they might be moving towards somewhere, something. Okay, so yeah, they are moving towards you, Scorpios. They are moving forward, they will be traveling towards you, and they will be offering a cup of love. They want to take a risk and they want to move forward towards you. Okay, yes, they want this happily ever after with you. Okay, and that's a beautiful thing, because they are ready to take a risk about this life, about you. Okay, so yeah, Healing message for a healthy joy. As I pursue happiness through my dreams and life purpose, I give birth to the unrealized potential within me, the unlimited splendor of my soul. So now they are realizing that what are they supposed to do, and now they'll be taking an action towards it, which is beautiful. Okay, that's nice, beautiful. So let's check out for Sagittarius. What are your partners feeling towards you, or in general? Okay, so yeah, let me Sagittarius. Wow, Sagittarius, your partner wants a new beginning with you. Okay, they want a new beginning with you, and they want you to come together, you two to come together, and they will be taking an action. They are regaining their power back, and they are realizing that you are worth the wait for them. Okay, so yes, beautiful energies. Wow. Wow. Okay. So, in the past they were really very cold hearted when it comes to this connection. Okay. Also, they were, realizing a lot of true facts about this connection. Okay. And they are realizing that this is not just an illusion. This connection is just not a temporary thing. This is a real thing. And that's why they are realizing this connection in the true sense. They are, testing this connection from every single angle. Okay, like all 360-degree angle. Okay, and they were in pain. Okay, they were, going through a depressed moments, sadness, worry about, they were having a lot of sleepless nights. Okay, if I say so, yeah, they were having a lot of sleepless nights when it comes to this connection, because they were thinking a lot about you, Sagittarius. But now they are realizing that, if they left you in the cold in the past, and without answering anything, now they are realizing that, you are worth a wait, and they want a new beginning with you. And there are numbers 9, 7 and 3. 3 is all about creativity. They want to create something passionate, a passionate new beginning with you. Okay, 9 is all about having sleepless nights, depressed, worried about this connection. Okay, 7 is all about, getting the reality to know about. Okay, evaluating the pros and cons, and getting to know about the truth about this connection. Okay, about this realizations. Okay, yes. And yeah, the world is all about, ending of a bad cycle, toxic situation, toxic cycle, and establishing or beginning of a new life, new situation, new everything new, a new beginning overall. Okay, so ending of a bad situation and establishing a new life with you, and they are ready for it. They are ready to take an action towards it. Okay, so healthy message for a healthy relationship. Okay, I express my emotions openly, willingly and skillfully. So now this time, if they'll come, they will be expressing their true emotions towards you. Okay, healing message for sadness. I love and honor both the times I am alone as well as the times I have loving support. Okay, so yeah, they are realizing the fact that what makes them happy. Okay, and you make them happy, and that's beautiful. So this is for Sagittarius. Now Capricorns, your partner. Wow. Capricorn, your partner is going through a lot of conflicted energy into their life. Okay, so yeah, they are releasing that conflicted energy into their mind, because they want a new beginning, new life, new beginning, new journey, new opportunities, because they were heartbroken. They were going through some unfulfilled emotional breakup. okay, emotional dissatisfaction, okay, and they were conflicted about this connection, I guess, okay. So now they want a new beginning. They are moving forward, they are taking a risk and moving forward. I don't know if this is for a connection or a career related thing, but let's check out, okay. It might be related to a connection, it might be related to a relationship, okay. So take it however it resonates, okay. 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 Okay, so there was a weird energy when it comes to a situation or anything, something really bad happened, a weird energy around them. And 4 is all about happiness, but this time I am seeing that, a lot of weird energy is there, okay. They were, going with the flow, but there was a lot of conflicted and weird energy. They were going through some emotional heartbreak, pain, okay, but they want a new beginning, of moving forward. They will be taking risk and moving forward. It might be moving away from a connection and moving forward, or else they want a new beginning with you in life, okay. Whatever emotional pain, emotional drama, emotional chaos they were going through, either into their head or either into their mind, now they are moving away from that, okay, and they are mastering their emotions. Yes, 3 negative energies I have for your partner: the devil energy, and the miser, and the 5 of wands, okay. So a lot of weird energies I can see, okay. Your partner is not going through a, they are really sad and conflicted. It might be related to their career as well, okay, that they are dealing with negative people around them, okay, which is really bad, I guess. It might be related to their career, because I don't think any connection thing right now, but yeah, they are individually going through some, issues when it comes to their career, okay. Like they are, really, moving around the bush and working hard, but they are not getting wherever they want to, okay. Yes. So a healthy message for a healthy love. So this is a individual reading, not emotions towards you, but whatever feelings they are going through currently into their career or relationship, okay. But this is all about career, okay. So yeah, healing message for a healthy love. In a loving relationship, by taking appropriate action and communicating directly, I can transform any troubling situation, problem or obstacles. Beautiful. But yeah, situation is very tough for your partner. They are going through some sort of devil energy, okay, not negative energies around them, okay. So let's check out what's going on with Aquarius partner. Okay, one important thing, guys, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, okay. Aquarius, your partner is going through some major rebirth, okay, major rebirth. Yes, they are going through some major rebirth. They are taking an action and moving towards a reconciliation, reunion, okay, happily ever after, okay. Yes, Aquarius, and they will be victorious when it comes to this connection, okay. Yes, turning in 4, number 4, again number 4. Wow. Wow. Okay. So Aquarius, we have a very beautiful and positive energies for your partner, that they are going through some major rebirth. They will be taking action and moving towards a reconciliation and happily ever after towards you. They are going through some deep heavy soul searching, okay. They are going through some internal healing, internal transformation. They are searching their soul, within themselves, meditating, rejuvenating. Okay, and yes, they are understanding the fact that what was right and what was wrong, and they are understanding the reality about a situation or about this connection. Okay, how you mean to them and how you are important to them. Okay, because there is some sort of ending took place in the past. Okay, ending of this connection, separation, temporary separation, whatever it was. Okay, so ending of a cycle, ending of a situation, and establishing a new situation, new life, new beginning with you. Okay, and they are ready to take an action and move towards this reconciliation, reunion, and they are rejuvenating. And that is all about reaching to an higher level of spiritual growth in your mind, in your head, and within your soul. Okay, so they are reaching to an highest level of their spiritual growth. Okay, so which is a very beautiful card. Okay, yes, ending of a bad situation, toxic cycle, toxic people, and establishing a new cycle, new life, new beginning. Okay, so yes, the healing message for your person, healing message for healing fears. Okay, if necessary, I am willing to let go of an old identity, lifestyle, relationship, or career, so I can grow and develop my potential. Every ending is an opportunity of something new to emerge. Wow, so that here in the healing message as well. Okay, so if you were not if your partner was not ready for this ending took place, and now they are rejuvenating, they are going through some major healing, major transformation, and they are ready to change their past thoughts, past lifestyles, and past karmas, past career related stuff, whatever, howsoever they were dealing with. They are ready to let it go. Okay, and start with something new, a new beginning. Okay, so yes, so let's check out Pisces, what's your partner is going through. Okay, okay, Queen of Cups, Hangman. Wow, okay, so your partner is gaining a clarity about the situation, about their life, what are they supposed to do, and they are releasing that stuck energy, and they want and happily ever after with you. Okay, so yes, a happy family, joyous family. Okay, so yes, yeah, they are working towards their moral values, they are realizing what are they supposed to do. Yes, a lot of ending of a cycle, ending of a situation. So they are going through some karmic cycle which is coming to an end. Okay, Pisces, and yeah, and they are going through some you know yeah, so they are realizing the pros and cons about this connection, and they are evaluating the pros and cons about this connection, that what you can give to this connection. Okay, and how you will be helpful, how you will be beneficial to this connection. They are going through some internal morality, they are gaining a clarity, they are very emotional when it comes to this connection, but they are really stuck up when it comes to a completion. So an ending is taking place, ending of a karmic cycle, karmic situation is taking place in a major, the major transformation is taking place for them. Okay, for your partner Pisces. Okay, yes, so so major transformation is taking place, and there is a devil energy. So yeah, a lot of they're ending a lot of deceptive energies, they are ending a lot of bad toxic energies, toxic situation, toxic cycle. It might be related to this connection, it might be related to their individual thought process. Okay, so yes, they are releasing all this toxic cycle, toxic situations, and toxic lifestyles, and yeah, there is a weird energy going on with them currently. Okay, so let me clarify the devil. Okay, so yeah, they are guarding up themselves. Okay, so like if you are making an offer of love towards them, just be aware of it, because I think they won't be giving you that kind of importance or attention. Okay, because they are moving forward towards a new beginning. Okay, they want to move forward when it comes to their financial stability, financial life, financial independence. Okay, and they are ready for it, but they are guarding up themselves when it comes to this connection. Okay, Pisces. Yes. Yeah. So, a healing message for a healthy goals. I now observe my life from a broad objective perspective, so I can give birth to a healthier relationship and career situations. Okay, so that is what I thought. They are focusing on their goals currently. They are focusing on their financial abundance, financial possibilities, new beginnings, new life, and they are really focused on their stability when it comes to their financial abundance. Okay, and that is beautiful, I guess. Yes. So yes, one important thing, guys, if you okay, these are the tarot decks I'm using. This is the Mind Body Makeover tarot deck by Mona Lisa. Okay, so this is the Osho Zen tarot deck. Okay, and this is an Indian tarot deck, and the main one I am using is that the original Rider tarot deck, which is this. Okay, one important thing, guys, if you want to help us with and support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn tarot learning and numerology, the details are given in the description box below. It will be a 20 days workshop if you want to learn both at a discounted price. Okay, so there are a few affordable readings which I have which we have introduced. Okay, so there are two parts in the description box below. That is an expensive part for the person to book the personal reading, and an affordable price personal reading. Okay, so if you want to book an affordable personal reading with me, you can. If you want to book an expensive personal reading with me, you can. Okay, last but not the least, kindly help us with the donations, and also kindly help us to hit and cross 1000k subscribers. So kindly like, share and comment down below what you want to what you want to see, or what you want to watch out next for which zodiac. Okay, so kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Vasool Tarot Prediction. And nowadays I'm not doing live sessions because I'm really packed up with my personal readings. So whenever you want, if you have any particular question, or if you want some sort of reading on a particular zodiac, you can comment down below. Okay, also you can book one-on-one session with me. It will be via WhatsApp video call or Zoom video calls, so it will be a personal reading for you guys. Okay, so yeah, guys, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed, and this is just a general reading, current readings, current feelings of either for career, either for relationship, or for your partners. Okay, not for you but your partners. Okay, it was not towards you but individually what they are going through. Okay, yes, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Okay, so bye guys, thank you so much, bye bye.